So... Are you kidding me?
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
If there is one thing I've learned from working out, it's the difference between doing things from effort versus joy. Hi guys, MK here. So, if you want fit body or anything else and you think that effort and hard work will get you there faster, not faster, faster, then you are knocking on the wrong door. Why? Because your body is a chemical factory which you control by how you feel. So if you are not going to work out because you enjoy it, but you are in efforting mode, like I have to do something to be stronger because I'm not good enough, I must have strict diet, I must do this and that and this and that, then the body creates corresponding substances to these feelings of lack. This means that you don't allow your body to perform at its best and regenerate faster. So it all starts in our brains. By how you think and feel, you determine the production of various neuropeptides. These affect the production of hormones, and those affect your genes and cells that build up your body mass. It turns out that the quality of the substances and proteins that make up our bodies are more affected by our mental state than the food we eat. So we aren't what we eat, we are what we think and feel. Here is a small comparison. Trying plus effort means we are living in a survival mode, more stress hormones are being released, our brain and heart are out of balance, which is boosting our senses which perceive that we don't have yet what we want, and that makes us feel even more lack. Now we need motivation from outside and we think that we need to do something. So we are trying to achieve things by efforting, competing, manipulating, and so on. On the other hand, happiness plus ease means that we are in optimal flow of energy, more hormones that are regenerating our bodies are released, our brain and heart come to balance, and now we take focus from the environment to ourselves. Now we are not trying and we don't need motivation from outside. We are now able to receive inner inspiration what to do to get where we want to be. So what makes the main difference is the reason why we are going to do something. In this case, working out. If you are doing it because you compare yourself to others and you feel bad not having fit body or something, then you are going about it the wrong way. But if you are going to work out because you enjoy it, then you are turning your body to the best chemistry and you'll see that you get better results in less time with no effort. In other words, where you put your attention, there goes energy. So the more you are trying to achieve your goals, the longer it takes to achieve them, because you focus your energy on not having it yet. But the more you enjoy the journey, the easier and faster and faster it will be to achieve your goals, and you'll be feeling good the whole time. For me, everything in life is about the journey, because if we could do or have anything instantly, then our lives would be so boring. It would be just like fast forwarding to the end of a movie. But why do we actually watch movies? Because we want to enjoy the journey. So if you don't have something you want right now, enjoy it while it lasts. Because if you will make how you feel your first priority in life, then you create the right soil for each of your desires to sprout into a beautiful, juicy fruit. Oh. Friends, if you like the video, give it a bit of love by your like, please subscribe and don't forget to stay in your equilibrium. Very good.